In the Photoshop CC, next tool is quick selection tool. As it is clear by name also, it is used for quick selection and it finds and follows the defined as is automatically. Now we will take one example. Click on the file, then after open any file, I am selecting this file. Now use quick selection tool. Here we can see, right click on it and then select quick selection tool. Select it. What is the use of quick selection tool? It is useful for selecting parts of the image which requires great precision. Now click here. This area is selected. Now for example, if you want to fill the color in it, so how can you fill? You can choose paint bucket tool. Right click here, then choose paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool is used to fill the color. Click on it, then choose desired color. I am selecting this color. Okay, then click here. Clear? Like this we can use quick selection tool and paint bucket tool. Next tool is magic wand tool. Magic wand tool. What is the use of magic wand tool? Magic wand tool is used to select the adjacent areas of the same color. Adjacent areas of the same color. Select it and then after click here. Remaining area is selected now. Now we will fill here gradient color. What is the meaning of gradient? Gradient means mixture of more than two color. Select gradient tool. Then after, if you want to change the color, foreground color and background color, you can change. And pattern, you can select any pattern. I am selecting this pattern and now fill it. Like this we can fill. We can use gradient tool. Next tool is crop tool. Here you can click and then select crop tool. As you know, cropping is the process of removing portions of a photo to create focus or straighten the composition. Select the area to crop. If you will click on it, it will crop it. Clear? Like this you can crop. If you want to crop in the perspective manner, you can select perspective crop tool. Now I am selecting it. Then OK. So it is used to select in perspective manner. Next tool is slice tool. What is the use of slice tool? Slice tool is used to divide an image into multiple rectangular sections. These slides can be easily moved and resized and aligned as a separate files. Now select it and then click here. Like this, there are multiple slides. If you want to resize any slide, you can resize. Now if you want to select it, slides are created, and now if you want to select it, you can use slice select tool. Okay, it is used to move. ये tool हो गया. Next tool, if you want to cancel the cropping, you can cancel by using cancel button. Here we can see I am selecting it. ठीक है, this is cancel button. If you want to change the brush size of quick selection tool, it can be changed. First deselect it. I am opening one new file. If you want to change the brush size of quick selection tool, you can change it. Click here, select quick selection tool. This is the brush size. If you want to increase the brush size, select left bracket to decrease. Left bracket to decrease. Brush size is decreasing now. If you want to increase brush size, click on right bracket. Like this you can change the brush size. If tools panel is invisible, now I am closing it. If it is invisible, how can you activate it? You can move on the window. You can click on the Windows tab. Then after select tools. Select tools. Click here. Like this you can get back tools panel. If you want to undo more than one action, you can do by selecting Ctrl Alt Z. Ctrl Alt Z is used to undo more than one action.